Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin using the Cash app and store it on a Ledger Nano X. So let's get going. Alright, so I did this trick on my live stream last night, and it's quick and simple. So I thought I'd just do a standalone video on how you do this. Very easy, quick way to buy Bitcoin with a low fee and store it in a hardware wallet. Today I'm going to be using the Ledger Nano X, and it supports Bluetooth. The private key stays on the device. It's a cold storage hardware wallet. Great place to store your Bitcoin. So let's get going. All right, so I'm sharing my phone with you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is buy the Bitcoin on the Cash app. So we head over here to the Cash app. We'll launch that. I'm going to hit that little icon up in the left corner and go down here to where it says Cash. So the first thing I'll do is fund the Cash app. I'm going to add cash. We'll add $25. You can add more. I think the limit per week is 10,000 if you want to buy Bitcoin. I don't know how much the limit is for the Cash app proper. Now I want to buy the Bitcoin. If you notice there, I've got Bitcoin under funds, so I tap Bitcoin and then I choose buy. All right, and then I'm just going to add that $25 that's in my Cash app, and I confirm the purchase. And there we go. I just bought the Bitcoin. So I'm going to click done. So now I have Bitcoin in my Cash app. And you see I've got about $24.68 worth of Bitcoin. So the transaction cost me about 30 cents, a little more. All right. So now what I want to do is put it in my Ledger Nano X. I want to store it safely. Cash app is a great app, but I don't control the private keys in my wallet. So I want to store my Bitcoin in my wallet where I control the private keys. So the best way to do this is a cold storage hardware wallet, right? So here's my Ledger Nano X. I've got it ready to go. And I'm going to switch over to the Ledger Live app on my phone. Alrighty. Now I want to go over here to accounts. And I'm going to go to my Bitcoin account. This Bitcoin account is tied to this Ledger Nano X. So I'm going to tap Bitcoin there. And I'm going to choose Receive. All right. And then I'm going to tell my app that I'm using my Ledger Nano X. Right. And then I just need to make sure that I'm in the Bitcoin app on the device. All right. So as you can see, I've got the Bitcoin app selected. And now I hit both buttons. And I'm in Bitcoin. Right? And then you can see over there that the app is asking me to open the Bitcoin app on my Ledger Nano X. And now it's connected, right? Because I opened the app here. And then I'm just going to tap continue on my phone. And there's the address. And here's the address on my device. So I can just double check that, make sure it's the same as the one showing on the screen. Right, and then I'll just navigate over to approve, and I'll hit approve, and then we can see that the address has been verified. All right, and now I'm just going to copy the address into my clipboard, and I'm going to scroll back over to the Cash app, and this time I'm going to choose withdraw Bitcoin down here lower. I'll have to scroll down a little bit. Hit withdraw Bitcoin. I'm going to slide that guy up all the way to the top. And I'm going to tap withdrawal. Now, I can scan a QR code, but in this case, I'm not doing that. I have an address in my clipboard already. I'm just going to tap enter manually down at the bottom there. And then I'm going to tap and paste that Bitcoin address. I'll click next. I'll tap and paste that same address. Right? And there's that same Bitcoin address that we copied from our Ledger Nano S. I'm going to hit confirm. And then I'm going to enter my PIN. And there I go. I sent it out. Now all I need to do is wait for it to appear in my Ledger Nano X. So I can do that by just monitoring the app. I'm going to hit the back arrow here. All right, and when I get to the portfolio, it's going to show me down below the incoming transactions. You can see I bought a little bit last night. But let's just hang loose and wait for that Bitcoin to arrive in my Ledger Nano X wallet. And there we go. June 22nd, 2019 today. So I just received that Bitcoin in my Ledger Nano X wallet. Now it may take a little while to confirm on the blockchain, so it may not be spendable, but it has definitely arrived. And it's stored safely on my Ledger Nano X. Let me reiterate that it's not stored on my phone, right? The phone is just the interface to this device, and the phone uses Bluetooth. And the private key of the wallet is never being sent via Bluetooth. So some people ask me, isn't Bluetooth insecure? Well, we're not sending the private key anywhere. We're not transmitting the private key of the wallet anywhere. The transaction is coming into the device via Bluetooth, and then the private key is signing the transaction and sending it back out as a signed transaction. So none of that is exposing your private key to Bluetooth or local. So I hope you got a lot out of this video. If you want to buy some Bitcoin, it's a quick and easy way, and then storing it on your ledger is a very safe and secure way to hold your Bitcoin. And if you want to sell it, you can just transfer it back to the Cash App or one of the big cryptocurrency exchanges if you feel the need to sell your Bitcoin at some future time. But storing it in your own wallet is the best way to go. You control it. All right. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments. I'll do my best to get them answered, and hope to see you soon. Don't forget, I have a live stream every Friday night, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A in LA. Throw out any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to get them answered on the fly. And if you need some intense cryptotherapy, some Q&A cryptotherapy, or some one-on-one cryptotherapy, head over to my Patreon page and check out my tiers. There may be something that you can use over there if you need a little bit of extra help. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.